What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today's video is gonna be rad because, well, I love the part that we're installing today on the Can-Am. And before we get started, I just want to give you kind of a little bit of backstory. I'm going to show you the steering wheel in my Mustang. Maybe some of you guys have seen it, maybe some of you haven't. But this is actually what made me do the next mod that we're going to do in today's video to my Can-Am. So check this out. Alrighty, guys. So like I said, some of you have maybe seen it, some of you haven't. But this custom steering wheel is one of my favorite mods besides the boost on this car, I think. So we've got honeycomb carbon fiber that goes all the way around. Also, you can see we've got the dash done, and then as well as the shifter there. So this has inspired the build. Now I can't wait to show you guys what we've got for the Can-Am. So let's go take a look at that right now. Here's a little update on how the Can-Am's looking. Still waiting on our parts to get back cleared. But here we have the new steering wheel, guys, for the 2022 Can-Am X3 build. So here's the stock wheel. And here is our aftermarket beauty. Just gorgeous. Full carbon fiber steering wheel. We've got the leather grips with the perforated. We've got the black and white carbon on the majority of it, the black centering stripe so you know exactly where it's straight. We've got the black carbon fiber 2x2 tweed in the middle and white carbon fiber on the seat. So let me know what you guys think of that combo right there. Black stitching on the seat, black steering wheel. It's gonna tie in beautiful with the color on the car. Look, oh man. So let's take a look and see what it's gonna look like in place before we take this one out. So, oh yeah. This is a bunch of little details packed into one little steering wheel. I love it. I can't wait to get this thing put on. Okay, so what we're gonna do to take this off is you're going to put a flathead right there. You're gonna give it just a couple taps. This is gonna pop up. You're gonna remove that nut. Slide the new steering wheel on. So we're gonna make sure that the wheel is straight when we take this one off. And we're gonna go ahead and make sure the new one goes on in the exact same spot so that everything's lined up. So here is what stock one looks like. And just like that, new steering wheel's in. And this looks so sick, man. That carbon fiber, that white is gonna look so killer. We'll go ahead and close the door real quick. See what it looks like peeping over the top of that door. Oh man. This kind of makes me want to do like that on the outside now. What do you guys think? I want to know. Let me know down in the comments what you think of the new steering wheel matched with that Ryco Street Legal kit. Oh man, that looks so sick, dude. That looks so good. And it fits the stockery. That's a mixture of stock and factory, if you don't know what stockery is. But the factory Can-Am logo right there fit right in this steering wheel, so nice. It brought it out just a little bit from the screen. So as you can see there, we're gonna be able to slide that Street Legal kit forward just a little more and hopefully not hit my knee on it ever. So anyway, that's kind of wraps it up for today's update. We still got a lot of stuff to do here, ladies and gentlemen. So you guys make sure you're staying tuned. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button. Hit like every single video. Help a local small YouTuber grow a little bit. And until then, we'll catch you guys on the next one.